Welcome to Kickstart Tech. So today I'm actually not hiding an updates, even though it's the deadline was expanded, but I'm actually gonna share this course. So please, you have from now till 25th to apply for this. So as AI is shaping the future of work and faster than ever before. So if by 2027 we are looking at over 50 business decisions are being powered by AI, and the question is, are you gonna be part of that future? So today I'll be sharing this opportunity where you can actually learn AI automation with no code or low code tools, and the best part is 100% free. Creating software prototype in minutes and even landing remote jobs without writing a single line of code. So this is what this LoubbyAI with DivVerse Labs program is offering, a 10-week hands-on training that will be starting on August 25th, and it takes you from zero. Actually build different programs, real-life automation projects, not just theory. You also have an access to an active company workflows and case studies. You also be mentored in AI and by AI engineers and data scientists. You also have job pipeline for strong. If you're actually successful on Airtable, then you learn how to use Lovable to create MVP products. Need any coding experience? All you need is just a laptop and a reliable internet, and you must be based in Nigeria, Kenya, or Ghana. This program is designed for absolute beginners who wants to grow in AI, and I'll be dropping a link for you to apply. The slots are limited, so if you click on the link, it will take you to this site where you see apply. The link, click on the link in the description to apply and secure your spot before August 25th. AI is not a future, it is the present, and this program you can start building today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.